Hello, good morning friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Ashapura School. Welcome all of you. And now it's the time for study. 10th Mathematics, chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. और अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में हमारा प्रोग्रेस चल रहा है एक्सरसाइज 5.2 में. Okay, dear students, we are going to learn today from exercise 5.2, question number 3. First of all, question is, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Our question is, in the following APs, means arithmetic progression, find the missing terms in the boxes. So now we are going to start question number 1 and find the missing term. Question number 1 is 2-26 is our arithmetic progression. That means here first term is equal to a is equal to 2. First term a is equal to 2 and first, second and third term t3 is equal to 26. t3 is equal to 26. We can find out the second term t2. We can find out the second term t2. Now here first term a is equal to 2, third term t3 is equal to 26, and we know that the formula of nth term tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of term, d is called the common difference. Now according to the formula, what is t3? Means third term t3 is equal to a plus a plus 3 minus 1 into d. That means t3 is equal to 2 is the first term plus 3 minus 1 into d 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore we get the substitute the value of t3 is equal to 26, and then therefore we get 26 is equal to 2 plus 2d. 26 is equal to 2 plus 2d. Now plus 2 is transporting to the left hand side, and 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. That means we get 2d is equal to 24. Now divide both the side by 2, and finally we get d is equal to 24 by 2. 2 12s are 24. Therefore d is equal to 12. d is equal to 12. That means सबसे पहले हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया? d, कॉमन डिफरेंस को फाइंड आउट किया. हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म अवेलेबल था a is equal to t3 को बेस बनाते हुए अकॉर्डिंग टू द nth टर्म फॉर्मूला tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, जिसके अंदर हमने वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया और t3 की जो वैल्यू थी इसके साथ इसे कंपेयर करते हुए सबसे पहले हमने d कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड किया is equal to 12. नाउ मिसिंग टर्म is equal to t2 is equal to a plus d. Therefore substitute the value of a is equal to 2 and d we get 12. Therefore 12 plus 2 is equal to 40. So here missing term means term number 2 is equal to 40. Now one more example, same question number 3 and example number 2. Here two terms are missing. First missing term 13, second missing term and 3. That means here we can find out t1 and t3, and we given t2 and t4. So here t2 is equal to 13, t4 is equal to 3. First of all, what is t2? t2 is called the second term of the arithmetic progression. Therefore t2 is equal to a plus d equal to 13, and t4 is equal to a plus 3d is equal to 3. 13 and 3 are given. Therefore now we find out the difference between the term t4 minus t2 and substitute the value. Therefore a plus 3d minus a plus d, open the bracket and simplify that. t4 minus t2 we get 2d. Now substitute the value of the right hand side. 3 minus 13 is equal to minus 10. 2d is equal to minus 10. Now divide both the side by 2 and we get finally d is equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Therefore d is equal to minus 5. d is equal to minus 5. Here common difference is the minus. Now we find out first term means T1. But look here, T3 is called, term number 2 is A plus D is equal to 13. So substitute the value of D in the T2. Therefore A plus D is equal to 13. Therefore A plus minus 5 is equal to 13. Now minus 5 is transporting to the right hand side, and we get A is equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. A is equal to 18. A is our first term. We can also find out this term. Therefore A is equal to 18, D is equal to minus 5. Now we both know very well A is equal to 18 and D is equal to minus 5. So easily we can find the third term T3. So the missing terms are A is equal to 18 the first term, and T3 is equal to A plus 2D. Therefore substitute the value of A and D respectively. A is equal to 18 plus 2 into multiply by minus 5. 2 5s are 10 and plus minus minus. Therefore 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. That means our second missing terms T3 is equal to 8 and first missing term A is equal to 18 we get. One more example. Question number 3 now. 5 dash dash and 9 integer 1 by 2. 9 integer 1 by 2. Here first term A is equal to 5. T2 and T3 are missing terms, and T4 is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. First of all T4. Here T4 is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2, and formula of T4 is equal to A plus 3D. Therefore substitute the value in the terms. We get A is equal to, here we substitute A is equal to 5, and then we get 5 plus 3D is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. Now 5 is transporting to the right hand side, and we get 3D is equal to 9 integer 1 by 2 minus 5. Now we convert in a fraction from the mixed number 9 integer 1 by 2. That means 2 9s are 18 plus 1. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. Now using the cross multiplication, therefore 19 minus 2 5s are 10 by 2. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 by 2 is equal to 3D. So 3D is equal to 9 by 2. Now both the sides divided by 3, and finally we get A is equal to 9 by 2 multiplied by 3. That means 9 by 6, and 9 by 6 is both the factor of 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So common factor 3 is crossed both the side, cancel out both the side, and finally we get 3 by 2. That means D is equal to 3 by 2. Common difference 3 is equal to D is equal to 3 by 2. Now we find out the missing terms T2 and T3 one by one. First of all, T2 is equal to A plus D, and substitute the value both. A is equal to 5 plus D is equal to 3 by 2, and simplify this by using the cross multiplication. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 by 2. Or we can write also here in a mixed number. 13 by 2 is equal to 2 6 are 12 and 1 by 2. That means 6 integer 1 by 2 is our second term. Now T3 is equal to A plus 2D. That means 5 plus 2 multiply by 3 by 2. 2 cancel out. The common factor is, which is the common factor, and finally we get 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So here to missing term T2 is equal to 13 by 2 or 6 integer 1 by 2, and T3 is equal to 8. One more example, example number 4. First term T1 is equal to minus 4 or A. T2, T3, T4 and T5 are the missings, and sixth term is 6 also. So here A is equal to minus 4, T6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 6. Now substitute the value of A and find out D. So therefore T6 is equal to minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. Now 4 is transporting from the right hand side, and we get 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. 5D is equal to 10. Now divide both the sides by 5, and we get D is equal to 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10, and then D is equal to 2 here. Now we know both the values very well. A is equal to -4 for given, and D we calculated. D is equal to 2. Now for the missing terms, time for the missing term. First of all, T2 is equal to A plus D. Substitute both the value for -4 plus 2. -4 plus 2 is equal to -2 T2. Now T3 is equal to A plus 2D, and we putting the value -4 plus 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, therefore -4 plus 4 is equal to 0. T4 is equal to A plus 3D, putting the value -4 plus 3 2s are 6, -4 plus 6 is equal to 2, and T5 is equal to A plus 4D. -4 plus 4 into D, 4 2s are 8, -4 plus 8 is equal to 4. So here 4 missing terms, T2, T3, T4 and T5 are sequentially -2, 0, 2 and 4. Dear friends, यहाँ पर हमने 4 अलग अलग तरीके के क्वेश्चंस देखे, जिसके कॉमन डिफरेंस में भी कुछ न कुछ वेराइटीज थी। जैसे कि फर्स्ट एपीज यहाँ पर दिया था 2-26, इसमें जो D मिला ये पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स था, जिसके हिसाब से हमें मिसिंग टर्म फाइंड आउट करना था और यहाँ पर हमने किया। दूसरे क्वेश्चन की वैरायटी ये थी कि यहाँ पर हमें 2 मिसिंग टर्म फाइंड आउट करने थे, और इसके लिए जो हमने D फाइंड आउट किया ये नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स के फॉर्म में था। मतलब कि यहाँ पर जो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन था ये डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में था, और इसके लिए हमें मिसिंग टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करने थे। तीसरे केस के अंदर भी हमने 2 टर्म्स फाइंड आउट किए, T2 और T3 को, लेकिन यहाँ पर कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो हमें मिला था फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में 3/2, और जो हमें टर्म्स मिला वो टर्म्स भी इसी तरह से फ्रैक्शन या फिर मिक्स नंबर फॉर्म में अवेलेबल था। लास्ट जो हमारा एपीस था वो एपीस फिर से एक बार 1 नहीं, 2 नहीं, 3 नहीं, बल्कि 4 मिसिंग टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करना था, इसलिए हमने एक बड़े वाला सम्स भी लिया। और यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में था, बढ़ते हुए क्रम में था, और इसलिए वापस D हमें पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स के फॉर्म में मिला। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई होप सो आप अच्छी तरह से इस क्वेश्चन को समझे होंगे। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.2, जिसमें से क्वेश्चन 3 हमने लिया था। ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म्स में है, खास करके जो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं इससे रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चन है। सो आई होप सो आपने अच्छी तरह से इसे समझा होगा। बुक्स में ऐसे और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसको आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। ये एक्सप्लेनेशन था, उस एक्सप्लेनेशन को साथ रखते हुए आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। तो आज के वीडियो में यहाँ तक। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसी एक्सरसाइज को कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे और आपके सामने डिफरेंट मेथड या डिफरेंट टाइप के जो भी सम्स हैं वो लाते रहेंगे। तो प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा। मिलते हैं फिर से, वेट एंड वॉच। तब तक के लिए राह देखिए और अपना प्रैक्टिस कंप्लीट करते रहिए। थैंक यू एंड बाय।